Good morning. So I am on my way back up to IKEA. We bought just a little bit of stuff yesterday, but the reason we only bought a little bit was, one, we needed to, did you see that branch just hit me in the face? We needed to measure a couple of spaces just to make sure that what we were looking at was going to fit. But then also, with the four of us in the car, we didn't have room to put any IKEA stuff. So I'm going back up today by myself with the car empty, and so I have room to put in the IKEA stuff that we're going to pick up. So IKEA day 2, here we go. You know, the IKEA guys are always impressed when I pull up in my car, which is pretty small, and I have a whole bunch of stuff, and they're like, there's no way that's all going to fit. It fits. It's pretty cozy, but it fits.